Hello and welcome back to my channel. Opening another Cafe Series 4. I think this is the chocolate croissants. We have some almond slices. Oh, that's cute. It's like a woven basket to put them in. I like that. Also have probably 2 croissants. Yes, there's also the tissue paper in there. Those are super cute. And for accessories, did they give us a spatula? No? Okay. Just the tweezers that I never use. They did give us a nozzle though, so that's good. And a chocolate glaze. This kind of looks darker than, yeah, it's a nice darker chocolate color. So let's clean up and look at the instructions. Here it is right here. A very simple build as far as this goes. Just add a drizzle, add the almonds, cure it. That is it. So I already have that opened. Let's open the almonds and get a tiny table. That way I can set it on there. We'll use that table, and I think I'll do one at a time just in case like the resin runs or anything. I'm also going to place some of these down here. Okay, so they did like a zigzag. I'm going to try to do that. We'll see how well that goes. Starting over here. Hopefully this won't run, but I'm going to hurry up and put the almonds on it and then get it under that lamp. Oh yeah, definitely spread out over there where I had kind of a nice line. Not so nice anymore. I think I need to wipe off my tweezers too. I think there's a little bit of resin on there from last time and they're sticking. This looks cute though. Definitely makes me want a croissant. Haven't had one in a very long time. So I think that's probably about good. I'm gonna run it under the lamp and then we'll do the next one. Okay, let's do this one. And this time, I'm gonna try, oh, and failed already. That came out really quickly. I was gonna try to do maybe more spaced out, but that's not exactly going how I wanted it to. It's already running. Down the side. Okay, now let's hurry up and place these because my camera's almost dying as well. I have something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. Might add more chocolate in other areas once that gets set up. Here's how they turned out. Definitely one of the easiest builds in this series. So yes, the resin is a little thin, so it's not going to keep those nice thick lines unless maybe you do it in very small sections, if that's important to you. But I think they turned out fine. Then you could add them to the basket. And that's all there is to it. I give this like 7.5 out of 10. It's cute, not too complex, easy to build. If you want to see me make more of these, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.